In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Gemini voice on Google. Whether you're customizing the voice settings for personal preference or simply looking for a change in voice for accessibility reasons, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's dive right in and get your settings updated. To begin, you'll first need to open either the Gemini AI or the Google Bard AI Studio interface. These are the platforms where you can make adjustments to your voice settings. If you're unsure of how to access these, simply use a web browser and navigate to the relevant website page. You might already have these interfaces bookmarked, but if not, a quick search should bring up the correct links. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account if prompted. Once inside the interface, look for the settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to a range of options that can enhance your user experience. It's a good idea to explore these settings every now and then to see what other customizable features may be available for you. Now, within the settings menu, locate the voice settings. This might be listed directly as voice, or it might be under speech settings. The exact nomenclature can sometimes differ slightly depending on updates or the specific platform version you are using. Once you find it, click to open up the voice customization options. Here you'll be presented with a selection of available voices. You might find different languages and accents to choose from, as well as varied voice pitches and tones. This is where you can really make the service work for you personally. Take a moment to try out a few options by clicking on them and listening to the preview. When deciding on the voice, consider what will be most comfortable for you over long periods, as well as what might be most suitable for your intended use, whether it's for accessibility, a preferred accent, or just a change of pace. After you've made your choice, remember to save the changes. There should be a Save button or something similar at the bottom of the settings page. Clicking it will ensure your new voice settings are applied. Finally, it's a good idea to test the voice you've selected by generating some speech. This could be done within the interface by using any text-to-speech feature available or using a sample text. Listen closely to ensure the voice meets your expectations and tweak if needed. And there you have it. With these steps, you should have successfully changed the Gemini voice on Google to something that better suits your style or needs. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you feel like switching things up again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.